Oh my god, I'm not getting sleep at all. Hi, मुझे नींद ही नहीं आ रही. Do you feel this a lot? Well then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Sachin Heba, passionate about Ayurveda, working software professional and the creator of the Self Healers Hub, which is on a mission to help 100,000 working professionals live a healthier, happier and a more fulfilled life through the power of Ayurveda. Ayurveda is the integration of the body and the mind, and its main principle is the state of well-being is determined by way how we live and how we eat. And in this section and in this video, I want to give you the amazing foods which can help you get better night's sleep, because Ayurveda says there are three pillars for health. One is diet, one is breath, and another is sleep. Aharam, Nidram, and your breath, swasha. Yes, these three are the main pillars, and today I want to concentrate on one pillar, that is Nidram or sleep, and what are the foods that you can eat so which will help you have a better sleep and accelerate your self-healing. Yes, watch this video completely till the end and do share. Let's start. Let's open up this mind map which I have created for you today. Yes, so what are the foods which will help us eat better and sleep better? Yeah, first and foremost, let's see bananas. Yes, see, magnesium is the element which will help you sleep better, and in that case Ayurveda states bananas are really helpful for you to sleep well. So always have a banana before having a night's sleep, or include banana in your diet. This will help in relaxing your muscles, and it will automatically give you good sleep, and it will accelerate your self-healing. Yes, and then what is the next one? Next one is the dry fruits, the almonds and the walnuts. The almonds and the walnuts are dry fruits which will help you increase your sleep. And another one is all pumpkin seeds. Yes, pumpkin seeds. So these three can be soaked overnight in water and had in the morning by removing the skin of it. And if you want a more effective solution, then you got to take almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, which are actually soaked overnight. Take out the skin, smash it, put it in warm milk and drink it sip by sip. And this formula can help you get a better sleep, because these are foods which will relax your muscles and it will help you get a better night's sleep. Yes, so bananas, almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds. So I gave you these three. Are these in your diet? Include them in your diet to get a better sleep. Yes, so next let's go to the next topic. Yes, what is the next one? Warm milk. Warm milk in the sense should be a raw milk or milk which is ethically sourced, because Ayurveda states when the cow and the calf is allowed to drink lot of milk from its mother, and then what is left is taken out. That is really good. That's the milk which you need to consume, and such milks you need to source it from farms, and there are a lot of online websites these days which provide such services. Please do check them out and get the milk sourced. Maybe after this lockdown is ended, sourced from such farms, and such warm milk you take and you see how much it increases your sleep. It's really helpful. Scientific studies also. And Ayurveda also states there's dairy products which are ethically sourced and they are really good for your sleep. Next is root vegetables. What are root vegetables? Carrot, beetroot, radish. Yes, these are the root vegetables. Potato. These vegetables will help you sleep better. So start including them in your diet. Yes, and whole grains like millets, whole grains like red rice, brown rice, whole grains like wheat, pounded wheat. Yes, these are also whole grains. Brown rice, red rice, millets. Yes, all these are whole grains which will give you a better sleep in your diet. Have them in your diet. Yes. So next, I want to give a special mention to this concept called Abhyangam in Ayurveda. What is Abhyangam? Abhyangam is the process of applying oil to your base of your feet. So which oil should I apply? You can apply coconut oil or sesame oil or Brahmi oil, which is the Ayurvedic formula. Brahmi oil you can apply, or coconut oil. Coconut oil, take a little bit of coconut oil in your palm and do a massage to both your base of your feet, and this is called Abhyangam, and this increases your sleep. Yes. And what is the next point? Next point is an Ayurvedic herb called Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha powder can be taken with warm milk in the night, and this will also help you increase your sleep. Ashwagandha is an Ayurvedic herb. So these are available in Ayurvedic shops or in a form of powder. So Ashwagandha powder is an Ayurvedic herb. So if you do not want to include all this in your diet, you can take Ashwagandha from the Ayurvedic shop and use. But these diet are easy to follow because they're available easily. Yeah. And lastly, also avoid the nervous stimulants, which is the coffee and tea. Yes, coffee and tea are nervous stimulants, and these reduce your sleep, and it's not good for your self-healing. So make sure that you sleep well by reducing your coffee and tea. I'm not saying reduce it completely, but can you reduce it by at least 1 or 2 cups in a day? That will make a huge difference in your sleep. It will make a huge difference in your immunity. It will make a huge difference to your self-healing. Yes. So to summarize, I have made this mind map for you. Bananas, almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, ashwagandha powder, whole grains, root vegetables like radish, carrot, beetroot, warm milk, abhyangam, the process of oil massage to the base of your feet, and avoiding coffee and tea. These steps will help you guarantee get a better sleep. In that way, it will accelerate your self-healing. Yes. Did you resonate with this, and will you implement this? If you will implement, type I am an action taker in the comment box. Type I am an action taker in the comment box. And I love action takers. And hence I am doing a live webinar on the 3 secrets to accelerate your inner healing power through the power of Ayurveda. And I'm going to show you step by step how do you do that in my webinar. You can register for the webinar by clicking on the link in the description below. And I'm looking forward to meet you live. If you loved this video, do share it with 5 friends and drop your like, subscribe, hit that bell icon, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this on my Facebook, hit the like button and click the follow first. Really grateful to you for watching the video until the end. Thank you. I hope these foods and these techniques will help you a better sleep and accelerate your self-healing. Loving you all so much. This is Self Healer Sub signing off.